Today I'm going to show you how to start a WordPress website in just 5 minutes. So to get started, you need a domain name and web host. I recommend choosing a reliable hosting provider that offers one-click WordPress. Next, you have to sign up for hosting, log into your hosting dashboard. You can use Google or username Apple, GitHub. Once you've logged in onto your hosting dashboard, look for the WordPress installer. Click it, select your domain, and install WordPress. The process usually takes less than a minute. Then log in onto your new WordPress site by going onto your domain.com. Enter the username and password you set during install. After that, it's time to choose for a theme. In your dashboard, go to Appearance, select Themes. There's multiple choices here that can fit your style. You can customize it later with colors, fonts, and layout. You can also click domains, plugins. You have a lot of options here. You can click Sensei, Astra, Gravity. Finally, add your first page or post by clicking pages. Add new post, click add new, write your content and hit, and that's it. That's how you can create a WordPress website in just 5 minutes.